it didn't look familiar. Okay. What's up, everybody? Leaky Faucets here. Part 5. Resident Evil 7. Leak 1. Still leaking.
Leak 2. Turned off the leak. Signing in.
She said, there you are. How does she know I'm here? How?
Because you're bloody.
She can smell me. I haven't showered for how long, so it must smell really bad.
I mean...
We're taking the easy way there with the centipedes. Here we go. Look at those goobers. They're everywhere. I can hear them crawling in the turtle beaches. It's horrible.
Who here likes centipedes?
Vote down in the
Not
comments. No, I'm joking. Okay, crow baby.
You know, we could have went through this.
Yeah, I know, but then I would have to cross her again.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh god. Seriously, lady. Oh.
All right, you little cocksucker. Let's get down to business. You think you can waltz in here and have your way with my family?
Shoot the lights.
I'm trying to. That's what I'm aiming for.
No, you and Zoe have been up to.
Flamethrower. Screw it.
You're gonna.
Yeah, you like that? She didn't like that too much.
Oh, get that.
Oh! Dude, that was awesome. You think it's so funny? Come on down.
Can you beat her? Shoot her.
Am I supposed to be doing something?
Climbing out. Climb out.
That was the verses? That was it?
I don't know. Go through the crow door and find out.
Huh.
Oh, that's
Jeez.
scary.
That was...
That was scary.
Can I go in? Come on.
Is this a safe point? No.
No. Target
acquired? What does that mean?
Oh.
Oh.
That's...
Oh.
Do you, is this the serum?
So you have to take the whole case?
I don't know. It's not letting me do anything.
Okay, so hit it again. A.
Hit what?
Uh,
This?
yeah. And then hit A? Is that all it did?
Yeah, that's all it does.
Hmm. Oh, jeez.
Oh, that might be right.
Well, did you find a serum?
I just got done dealing with your mom and her fucking bugs. Wish you could have warned me.
Sorry about that. What about the serum?
I haven't found any. But I did find out we need to make one. A D-series head and an arm. This can't be right.
A head? I think I have that around here somewhere.
You do?
I don't know about the arm, though. Have you searched the whole house?
No, not yet. I still need to check the second floor here.
All right. Check it out. Meet me at the trailer if you find it.
We gotta find an arm, I guess. Meet her back at a trailer.
Do we have to go back to the trailer?
What
What is that?
It's a little pinata, I guess.
It's a pinata.
Nice little room up here. More burner fuel. That's what I'm talking about. Probably have to fight a giant. What is that?
Oh no, it's her light.
What's her light? Stay away from the light. Anti-coin. We can get the Magnum now.
Yeah.
But do we want the Magnum? That's the
Do
question.
we want it? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
So, oh. We need something for that light.
Do we still?
Oh, the gun. The broken
Oh,
gun.
Yeah. Yep.
Maybe. What the hell was that? Oh,
My
that's
bottle. Did it scare you?
Yeah, it did, actually. Maybe it's the gun. So I gotta walk all the way back down there and go get it? Wow, that's kind of crappy. If it's even that, we don't even know. Like, there's nothing over here, really. Huh. Well, let's go find out. Uh-oh. What is that noise?
I can't hear it.
Oh, look. Oh!
Do you have to go down there?
No, there was a lantern, and there was this long arm. I think it was her, and she grabbed the lantern. And what is that, though? Do you see that? What is that?
I don't know. I don't want to know either.
Do you want me to go down there?
You. I mean, I'm thinking you're gonna have to go down there. Are you gonna have to go in that hole?
Come on, look up. Oh. Oh!
Oh God.
She's a spider.
Well, that's special.
Do we go down here? Oh my. Seriously? Maybe we need her lantern. Maybe this is the ultimate. Oh God. Oh God. There we go. We're facing Margaret. Margaret. Oh man. What is going on here?
I'm shaky.
Oh boy. Margaret's dream. She's gonna pull us out of the well. Watch. Watch. Ready?
Where is she?
I don't even know where we're at. Like where? Oh, look.
Okay, so you're in that gated part that you couldn't get in. Can you open it now and like so you can get through?
Oh wait, I can't go this way now. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna save it quick, then go back out there.
You should probably buy the Magnum.
We don't have any rounds for it. Do we have to get our lantern? Is that what this is about?
I'm afraid. She's gonna jump out of the trees because she's like a huge spider.
That door is open.
What is that supposed to be? A toilet?
Treasure photo. Yeah, treasure, yeah. That looked like,
The can you were in that one time.
yeah.
What's that? Separating agent? What is that?
Oh, maybe if you, man,
What do you got in your inventory?
a lot of stuff. I need to go back.
Well, don't jump down there then. You go down there, you're screwed.
Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck. So that way, maybe.
Well, if you can go through that door, you can... Oh my god, that scared me.
Really?
I thought it was a person hunched over.
Oh, locked from the other side. So I'll tell you
Can you
what.
open that gate?
Yeah, we already opened it. Maybe if you were paying attention.
I'm sorry. My eyeball hurt.
So this is what we're gonna have to do.
Did you buy the Magnum?
No. Maybe if you were paying attention.
Why didn't you buy the Magnum?
Because I don't want to yet. Okay, so.
Oh,
Wait,
the
that's
can.
it? Yeah. Oh, 44 Magnums. I guess we can buy it now. Broken handgun. I want to know where that goes.
I thought we were gonna hang it on the thing.
Really? I gotta do this? You gotta be kidding me.
It must be telling you you're going to need this. Is that a snake?
Oh, I
Oh.
thought that was a snake too. I'm like, ah. We're just gonna.
Can you combine bullets with the guns so that way it takes up less space? Or no?
We're gonna put these back till we need them.
Okay.
Um,
Do we need the crow key anymore? Oh wait, we didn't go in that door yet.
we need it for the house.
Right.
And yeah, we did go through the door, Shannon.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I'm like really shaky right now. Because that lady freaked me out.
So
It's
we
scary.
have. We can go back to the house. Wait. I want to see. Maybe we need that other lantern. What do you think? Do we need the other lantern to put on there? Because it
We
doesn't make
might.
sense to put a broken.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it can be repaired with a repair kit. So we gotta find a repair kit.
I think that the lantern... Do we have the lantern in our inventory?
No. We gotta. She took the lantern, remember?
Oh, that's right.
We went back for it. Oh, that's probably why she took it. Because you need it. Okay. So, I'm thinking we need to go up there,
We
drop
need-
down.
I want to drop
I
down.
heard some stuff going on down there, so we're about to find out. I thought we had a lockpick. Did I put it back? I might have. Oh well, whatever. I'm not going back for it now. Let's rock and roll.
Let's hit the bricks!
Let's do this.
Until we see her and we scream.
Well, she likes to jump at people. She likes to scare people a lot. That's just what she's good at, you know? Oh yeah, that seems very stable.
It's very safe.
He is blocking. Got cobwebs everywhere. A hole. Let me
There could be a
guess, we gotta
treasure. Oh, right there. Great.
Do we gotta crawl through there? Probably. Handgun rounds, I'll take those. Look, my handgun's dirty. Like crap.
Probably needs to be cleaned.
I don't think you can in this game. Maybe the further you get, the dirtier you get. That would be kind of cool.
I mean, you are, pretty dirty and your hand was cut off, so I'm sure you're full of blood anyways.
Oh.
Oh, so
I-
that, you can,
They give them in every place. I think they want you to take them, like, so you can find everything.
oh, I'm sure. But they don't.
Oh, oh,
jeez.
oh, oh. I hate spiders. I just got rid
There's
of a
spiders
bunch.
all over too.
fertilizer.
Then you can make bombs with that. I think.
Well, I got a feeling we're
Crazy
gonna have to
people
fight plant people because,
You think so? Because of the fertilizer?
well, Resident Evil 1, you fought a giant plant. Resident Evil 2, you did in the newest one.
Oh, watch out, there's still spiders in it.
I don't think those, yeah, maybe.
Okay, so that just led you around in a circle.
Are you sure? Because I don't remember seeing this room.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, it did. Yes, it did. So upstairs we go. Oh, long hair, bitch! Burn, baby, burn! Oh my god, what is she? She turned into something bad.
Gigantic spider woman? Watch out behind you, spiders.
Oh god. Come on. Come on, attack her. Oh god, what is going on here? Oh, she's got giant underwear. Her underwear got as big as she did.
I think there's something in the tub. Or not.
Here we go. Now, okay, there's a ladder. Look, we can jump down now.
There she is.
No, that's a bug.
Okay.
I don't like Margaret. She's like freaky. Burner fuel. You need to use burner fuel. It's giving you so much.
I'm not gonna miss you at all.
I'm not gonna miss you either when you're gone.
Don't be like that, Ethan. Show yourself.
Show yourself. You're the one hiding.
Bless your heart. You know I'm gonna find you in the end.
Oh, she's got V-belly.
You want some of this?
She's
Lee?
got V-belly.
She's burning. She's burning like a freak.
She is
Oh! What?
She hit you like a sumo.
You got nowhere to.
I'm really not afraid of you. I just want you done. Come on.
No. V-belly. You better take a herb.
Do I have to follow her down, or is this like...
There's a ladder right there.
Oh god, why did you have to see that? I'm popping one of these quick. Oh, there's stuff over there. Make sure I didn't miss anything.
Here I come.
Oh, here it comes.
Let's see you scamper your way out of that.
Keep doing RT.
I can't. Or burn off for fluid. Handgun rounds.
Right there.
Come on, come on. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, that's so gross.
Yeah, you got something growing on your private parts.
That should be taken care of by a professional doctor. Just to let you know. Shoot her in the head. A professional doctor needs to take care of it. Your unit is looking bad.
Where did she go? Should have brought the Magnum for this lady.
Oh, there she is.
Did she die?
Did she die?
No way.
Oh no, she's gonna pop. She's gonna pop like a pimple.
Did we kill her?
Fucking stay dead, okay?
She got the lantern. Grab the lantern.
Let's explore it quick.
I think that's downstairs.
Yeah, there's... I want to hop down here quick. Might be a bad idea, but we're about to find out. We got a lot of chem fluid. Is there like... Can we use that for like anything?
Well,
like,
chem fluid, you kind of like, you can use it to make health, you can use it to make those pucks, you can use it to,
Yeah, but...
you use it for everything, so I understand why they're giving it to you.
Wait a minute. This and this, right?
Is that regular? Yeah.
Very good. We can make a lot more of this stuff now. Oh no.
Can you
We
make
might-
another one? And then will it transfer to your,
No, we don't have room for it. That's the issue. Here, wait.
well, you could use your plants, because
Grenade rounds. We might need those in the future. Are you kidding me right now? Wait, actually, I need that. Oh, no. Oh,
take
I
the
can...
plant, and then you have a spot.
Yeah,
eat it.
but I don't want to...
You have a health already. You have 4 healths.
What?
You have 4 healths. 3 in the corner and 1 in the middle.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to waste an herb because I'm gonna have to come back here anyways, because there's solvent fluid over there. So it's not that far away. I'll just. This is what I'll do. Okay, okay, and there's gotta be an antique coin in here. You think so, or no?
I mean, maybe. I'm sure there is.
How the hell do you get out of here? That's the question.
I mean, you had to jump. Oh wait, what?
Oh, all the bugs are dying because of she died. Maybe?
There we go. You can get in there now.
Bringing this bad boy out just in case.
Guess what? Now the health inspector doesn't have to come.
That might be true.
Because it looks like the mold is taking care of itself.
That might be true. She was a moldy woman. So, we gotta go back there anyway, so I'm just gonna drop a bunch of stuff off. Then we can go do the lantern thing. Because now I'm really curious to see what's behind there. I don't know about you, but I am.
I want to know what's behind door number 2.
Well, oh, that's yours. I was gonna say, no, I spilled something. Okay. Oh, I used the plant anyways. Ah, whatever. So, we'll run back. Grab that stuff. Because we might not be going back there. And... yeah, then we can go see what's behind door number 2. And make sure we didn't forget anything. I need antique coins. I need antique coins. Give me your antique coins. Look, I found an herb.
Did you?
coming
Oh, I
back.
thought that was a coin.
No.
I was like, yay!
There. Now I got what I wanted to get back. And now we can go back. It's that simple.
So now are we going to put the stuff away?
Yeah, I put the rest in there because who knows. I actually know what I can do. I can just do this. Make some more flamer fluid. And here we go. Going on back. Then, after we're done with this place, we can meet the mysterious woman behind the telephone. Maybe. We'll see. She said if we find the arm, we can meet her back at the trailer, so we'll see. There she go. Is Margaret gonna come back?
I hope not.
I hope not. She's my least favorite because she's like the scariest one. Oh, what?
What was that?
The piano played, but
Nobody's there. What's the book?
the Lankley arm woman came back.
Don't tell me that.
Something scary is gonna happen. I just got a feeling.
Something bad always happens. This is what happens.
Oh my god. You know, they put that there on purpose.
Yeah,
too.
they did. Remember Resident Evil 5? Horrible crocodile situation.
Antique coins. Anyone give me an antique coin? Antique coin. Uh-oh. This is not good. You know, you're really, ruining the vibe with that cell phone there, lady.
Sorry. Oh, the
Oh,
rocking
come
chair is rocking
on.
by itself.
Oh, that's not
Oh.
creepy at all. You know. What does that say?
I don't.
Sorry. I can... That's a ship.
That is a ship.
With a bunch of stick bodies flying off of it.
I don't know about you, but I find it to be fabulous art.
Oh god, that scared me. Come on.
I wonder if the old guy that we chopped in half with the chainsaw is coming back.
He'll probably make an appearance back. Would you doubt it? No. I don't doubt anything from Resident Evil anymore. You know, what if they're just making this creepy to be oh, no. Oh, come on. Really? Wow.
Where'd the babies come from?
What's wrong with her?
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, I know. We just dealt with her, if you're talking about that person.
No, the daughter's still alive.
The dog? I thought there was only a son.
Wasn't the daughter sitting at the table
Oh, no.
too? And
Oh, no. Oh, no.
What?
Somebody's saying Steve.
Why is that chair in a cage?
I don't know. Lights went out and somebody said stay away. There is a daughter, isn't there?
I thought so. Why don't we open the trap door? Why do we have to walk in? Why do we always gotta walk in?
I would just burn the house down, man. I don't know why you just don't do it. Come on, really?
What?
Come.
I heard something.
Yeah, I know.
There's a note in
Oh.
the dollhouse.
Oh, secret entrance.
Behind the bed. I don't want to go behind the bed. Why are there creepy little like dolls everywhere and oh, there's a dead guy in the chair. Or what is that?
We need that. I'm sorry. Oh.
I guess this is it.
Oh, we're done here, right? Uh-oh.
No. Oh no.
Little girl.
Who's the creepy girl?
You can't. Come on. You're not the mean. Are you mean? I hope you're not.
Everyone's mean.
No, they should burn effectively. Well, we do have to go through mold room. We should have suspected that. That was our own fault.
I wasn't thinking that that was gonna be there. Okay.
Where's the cop guy? Whatever happened to that?
Oh, don't mention the cop guy. Okay.
Oh, come on. I put my black in
Getting back up.
You're done.
What is that movie with the little girl that's a psychopath? Silent Hill?
Maybe. Oh yeah, they did make a movie about that video game.
Yes.
Holy crap, I totally forgot about that.
Oh my god.
Oh, big arm.
We might need some of that medical. There you
yeah.
go. Oh, he's stabbing you with his poker.
It's like a tyrant. Big poker fingernails.
Are those bugs?
Yeah, we're getting out of here. Gotta meet the lady back at the trailer.
Oh, because you have the D arm?
Yeah. The question is, which way should we go? No.
No!
Did you find it?
Yeah, I got it. Are we really gonna be able to make serum with this thing?
It'll be fine. After we make it, we can get out of here. Together. I'll be waiting for you in the trailer.
Alright.
Let's go see what. No, what? Watch. As she's not there. She's like, oh, I can't come. Sorry.
You're walking around with this big floppy arm for nothing.
You know what? I'm gonna go this way.
Oh, don't go in the hole. I hate it when you jump in the hole.
Who doesn't hate holes?
I feel like I just want to see that spider at the end again, and it'll be horrible, and...
Oh, the spider lady, Margaret, with her long dangly arms.
That's what you can name it.
It was Margaret.
Margaret the Impaler. Or
Margaret.
Margaret. STD Margaret. Or there's something wrong with your unit.
There was something definitely wrong. I don't know what she was growing down there. I thought it was underwear, but apparently it was not.
It wasn't underwear.
Watch, she brings the whole family. The whole family's in here.
Oh. Oh.
Really? I figured that much.
Now,
I
where the
can't
hell
make
are
it.
you? You know, never mind. We only need the head, and you've got it. This is gonna help me and me, right?
Hey, buddy. I thought you should know. I decided that Zoe needed a timeout. She and Mia are here with me. And they're keeping each other company.
Just let them both go. What do you need them for?
That's family business, Ethan, and not your concern. Understand? Now, if you want the head, feel free to come by anytime and I'll give it to you. But only if you participate in a little activity I put together just for you.
What activity?
Oh, I know you're excited, but don't worry. It's not going anywhere. First step I need you to take, partner, is for you to take a peek inside the fridge in the trailer there.
Fuck you.
Oh no.
Come on now, don't be like that. You want to have fun, don't you? look in the fridge.
Look in the fridge. It's probably somebody's head.
I want to put that arm in the case.
That just gave me the chills. You putting that arm in there. Oh.
Oh.
What is that? Oh. The pig is waiting for you in the dissection room, bitch. Okay. Well.
Oh. Oh, that's a nice present.
That's great.
Oh. Is that the cop?
Oh, it is, but
Is it? Do you think it is?
but why would we have to go meet him in the dissection room?
That's back in the basement, I think.
I know, and I don't want to go back to the basement.
Well, okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. League was part 4 of Resident Evil 7. League 1. Out.
League 2, signing out.